That's so funny with the tripod. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Today we've got a little side project we're doing. We're going to be covering up our doors. We'll show you when we get there, but right now they're just open panels. You can't really see, like, right there. We're going to be covering that with wood. Because right now we've been doing a bit of the electrical, as you can see, dangling. We're just mixing it up this weekend. It's a Saturday, Andrew's driving. The tank is clean.
Yeah.
I just dominated that intro, sorry.
Yeah. Feeling it.
Yeah, sometimes you are. You're just on a roll. Yeah, we're gonna grab that wood.
Grab that wood.
See you soon. Got stuff for the project. All came out to like $100. So $100 for this little mini project. It is really nice.
What are you looking at?
So for today's projects, we're going to be covering this sliding door we have here with wood. We got 1/4 inch because it's very thin, lightweight, easy to work with. We're gonna cut it into little long slats. And if we can get this cut to size too, we want to do this covered in wood just to give it a more homey, cozy feel. Gonna prime these slabs as Andrew cuts them. Like I said earlier, this mini project costs $100. And I'm thinking, I don't know if I'm talking loud, sadly's on. I'm kind of thinking, babe, I'm kind of thinking we should like go over price one day of like what we spent so far.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah, I feel like you guys might find that interesting. We're not rich. We're not, what do they call them? Trust funds. We're not trust fund kids. We're just paying as we go. What's up, Blue Blue? What's up, Blue Blue? What's up, bro? What's up, baby?
Sunny slat sanding.
Yeah, I gotta get that vitamin D.
Whoa, that was crazy.
How bright it is?
Yeah.
doing here? What are you doing?
This setup when we are not at my mom's. Not ideal, but I'm working with it. Also, it's a painting day. So we primed already the other day, and now we're gonna paint these boys. The lazy person in me wants to just leave them primed, but I know that the other white color that we're gonna add to these is gonna look so much nicer. Yes. You can sort of see the primer on the right and then the actual paint color on the left. It's a bit warmer, very subtle, but nighttime run?
Yeah, I was just thinking, like, shit, it's dark in here.
Yeah, it is pretty dark.
It's dark in here.
Hey guys, so we really didn't film much of us drilling in these wooden slats just because it ended up being a way more tedious project than we thought it was going to be. All in all, it took us about a week, I want to say, because of all the abnormal shapes and the constant trimming and dremeling and sanding by Andrew. Anytime he found time, he was doing that. Amazing, amazing human. And honestly, by the time we got things to size, it was nighttime and it was too dark for you guys to even see. We don't really have we have our flashlights on our phones, but it's just not the same. And maybe like in the morning we would do it really quickly, but it was just so tedious we really didn't feel like filming. I'm a little irritated, to be honest. So you'll just see the final product of it drilled in. I may have a few clips. We'll see. Ooh. Before my phone dies, I've just been on this like gift wrapping paper. It's for painting. Just been tracing out the abnormal shapes on this window. So like, and then we can go and cut it. I look feral, but that's okay. Before. These little guys are just gonna get glued to right here. Before. Sure. And the final look on the sliding door. She's looking good. Obviously, do I wish that random out of shape piece wasn't there? Yes, but we cut these pieces of wood to a certain size and it just wasn't happening. There's like an empty gap here we needed to fill it, but it looks way better than just an empty open. Oh god, just saying it looks better than having an empty cavity there.
Oh yeah, by far.
Beautiful. And that's a wrap on the door paneling.
Tedious work. Tedious.
Yeah, we really didn't hear much from you in this video because you were just
dremeling and
the
yeah.
surprise there.
It was a tunnel vision on that one because, you know, like everything else, thought it was going to be a quick project. Took a week. So,
Yes.
yeah. But it was worth it. Came out pretty good.
Yeah.
We're stoked on it.
Like the first little step to making it feel like a home. Like the first finished thing. Because this is finished now.
Done. We're done with the doors.
We're done with the doors. Beanies on because it dropped below 60 in Florida. So yeah, that's where we're at.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we're excited to start on the next project.
The electrical, yeah.
We'll see you next week, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Bye.